Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect stretched afro look. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video, and let's jump straight into the video. So actually I just washed my hair about 2 days ago, so I don't really know if this is going to be so defined, but I'm just going to show you how I achieve the look anyway. So sometimes I like to spritz a little water on my hair if I feel like my hair is too dry. That's because the next thing I use is my oil, and oil is not a moisturizer. But since I just washed my hair is still fairly moisturized, so I'm not going to be spritzing any water. And when you're spraying the water, make sure you don't spray too much, because if you spray too much, obviously your hair is going to shrink. It's not going to be stretched, so it's just a little spritz. So I'm going to be using my DNA jojoba oil. I'm just going to apply a little on my fingertips, okay guys, just a little on my fingertips, just so my hands are oily, because when your hands are oily, taking it down is easy, because it gives you some kind of, what's the word now, sleep, but it makes sure that the hairs are not like grabbing each other, because it's so slippery basically. So what I do is I just take a twist, and if you want to know how I put my hair in twist, I'm going to just leave a link to my watch day video in the card, so you can just watch it there. Okay, so guys, all you have to do is take a twist. You want to rub your hands on the ends, because those are the oldest parts of the hair, and those are the parts that are going to snag more. So rub your hands on the ends, so just slippery. What's the word? Anyway, so you loosen the ends first, and then you just loosen the hair. It's actually really easy if you properly, detangle the hair before putting on the twist. Can you see how defined my curls are? It's just so easy to do that. It's really easy to take down your curls actually when you properly define your hair. If my watch day video isn't well defined enough, that is if you still don't know how to pull your hair in twist, because come think about it, I didn't really show you how to pull my hair in twist in that video, if I'm being honest. So I'm probably going to do another video showing you how to twist up your hair, guys, but for now just enjoy this video, okay? So like I said, take it, rub your hands on the ends. You're going to start from the ends to on twist, and every other thing is easy. And then when you separated them, you're just going to put your hand in between just to separate it. You can actually separate as much as you want, but I like my hair to be more defined. That's why I only separate it once. Some people might decide to separate them more and more if you want your hair to be more full and more defined, so you can really just do what you want. Okay, so I'm going to do this for my entire head, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm just going to do this one more time so you can really see it. Oil, fingertips, okay, hair, rub the ends so they can easily come off each other. Take down. See how easy it is to take down. This is why you have to really detangle your hair properly. I am going to show you how I do my twist in another video. You see how they are? Divide, and multiply. So guys, this is basically how you achieve this twist. Now if you're someone who doesn't like defined twists and you want your afro to be full, all you have to do is basically the same thing. You're going to rub your hands again, take down each twist, right? And after taking down each twist, you're just going to really separate the twist, like really separate the twists, right? And then you get a wide tooth comb and you just comb the twist. So you see how much more volume this one has than the others. So if you're someone who likes a big afro, this is how to comb your hair with no breakage at all. So guys, I don't like the fact that now I have one that's very defined, but basically guys, that is how, okay, I missed one. That is how to take down your twists. And you have this twist. You can decide to fluff if you want, so you just get, I think it's better if you have an afro comb. Just get an afro comb and kind of pick the roots, but I do not like to fluff my hair, so this is how I just carry my hair, and I feel this is cute. It's cute, right? Guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.